Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you how to use time on playbacks. So first, I want to put this time or fade. Time is for fade in, fade out, wait in, wait out. Yes, like that. So I want to put this fade time because I want to put it some fade. So press the time, choose the playback we want to put at time. You can see wait in, wait out, fade out. So we only want to put a fade in and fade out. So I choose the fade in, which is ABC. See, and use the wheel V to then we put how many seconds. For me, I want to put 1.0 second, and the fade out is the same 1.0 second. After that, after you make your time, just press enter and enter. There, you just made our fade, put a fade time. See, there's a fade in, fade out. Now we want to edit the time and make it more fade. So again, choose time, press the playback you want to edit the time, choose the fade in, we make it 1.5 second and the fade out 1.5 second. After that, press enter and enter. Exit clear and voila. We just made and edit our time fade and fade out. Okay, we will do it again. Press time, choose the playback we want to put time, fade time. Then we choose what do we want. We want to wait or fade. We want to fade in. You can just put you can just put fade in. If you don't want to put fade out, it's okay. For me, for now, I want to put a fade in. I make it 1.5 second. There. After you make your time, press enter and enter again. There. That's how you will make your time fade in 1024. It's just easy, right? So if there's something you don't understand, you can just comment down below so I can make it so I can make other videos for that to explain it more clearly. So thank you very much for watching this video and hopefully see you on the next video I make. Bye bye.